try to be better.
All right, guys. We got all the drywall scrapped out in our custom. Got all the floors getting covered for before the drywall mud. So we're waiting on a nailing inspection on this one. So they're gonna check all the screws. Nailing inspection, but it's all screwed nowadays. And in the meantime, we got the showers. We water test this one as hot mop, and we're gonna mud float this. All kind of old school, I guess you could say. Nowadays, everyone doesn't see a lot of float. The other 3 bathrooms we have completed today. We use the Emser tile impervious foam system. So I'll have you guys take a look at that real quick. So we mortar the pans down and then do all the walls. It's all one system. So that looks good. We're gonna cut that drain tomorrow once the sealant dries and plug it for water test. We have another one over here that's looking real good. So every bedroom has its own bathroom, so that's pretty nice. And then this is the last bathroom right here. And this one was the one we first did this morning. And there's the drain cut down and plugged, and we'll water test that one as well. So 3 bathrooms, the foam, the curbless one, like I said in the master, we're gonna float with the hot mop old school. And once those are filled with water, we'll call. County's closed today, so no inspection request, but drywall's ready to go. They'll probably start doing corner beads, but they're always super clean. Like I said, clean job you have to have. You gotta do it. So these guys, amazing. And once we get that inspection done, you see our outside is all lathed and ready to go with scaffold. So once that's passed on the drywall, we will be able to stucco this. 3 coats, so we'll do a scratch coat, brown coat, and color coat. Color coat usually coming about 10 days to 14 days later after the scratch and brown. So this is the back of the house. You know, the septic system right there looking good. About to get backfilled. We have health department coming for that. Got our water tied in all right there. Just looking really good, and it's gonna be super close to being a finished home. Relatively quick here. Goes from paper to outside stucco finish really fast. So this one's about 5,900 under the roof. And of course on this one, usually we have tile done by now, but on these we actually don't because it has to overlap a stuccoed eave. So you can see all the stucco detail underneath here. So we want stucco to finish up, have the metal come over. You can do the metal before, but then the stucco guy's pushing their stucco up under. It's just not ideal for them. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more. And there's our website.